Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. Today we'll be diving into knowing the most 10 operating systems you have never heard of or known. If this is your first time coming across my channel, do hit on the subscribe button while turning on the notification bell to be the first to get notified each time I post an interesting video like this. Without the waste of your time, let's dive into it. So the first operating system here is the Windows operating system, and which we know that Windows is a wide range operating system that is being used, and it's also being developed by Microsoft Corporation. This is an operating system that comes with a graphical user interface, and it also makes it more easier by having the icons and the rest, and it has this pointer that helps you to locate the stuff or any other information to point at it, making it accessibly easier for you to access any other thing. So this Windows computer is range feature functionalities, including multitasking, and also it has this network capability, and the security is top notch, and also the capability with its vast of ecosystem in the software is awesome. Over the years now, Microsoft has been releasing numerous of versions, which the latest version is Windows 11 point, I believe 11 point something, which they will be releasing the 12 points this year, if I'm not mistaken. So also it has ranged from the Windows XP, which is the old Windows version, to the latest Windows. So that's for the Windows operating system, and which I believe that you guys knows about this operating system. So the next operating system we'll be talking about here is the Mac OS, or the Mac operating system, which is being developed by Apple Incorporative. This operating system that powers Apple line of Macintosh computers has an intuitive user interface and a robust security features and seamless integrations with other Apple devices and services. Mac operating systems range from built of applications, productivity, creativity, and entertainment, including Safari, which is the default browser or their own customized browser, photo of organization and editing photos, which it comes with. I think I haven't seen any other operating system that comes with that coming in terms in the sense of computer. So I know that MacBook has this photo editing, and I will be dropping these links in the description below. If you can go in the description to download each of the operating system you find very interesting, surely I'll be leaving the link below. So one of the key feature of Mac operating system is the reliability and the stability. So it has much more of Unix like, and this ensures a smooth and consistent user experience across all different Mac models. Which new release Apple introduced innovative feature and enhancements for the Mac operating system. So this is for the MacBook. You can go download the operating system from here, and which I will also be dropping the link in the description below. So the next operating system will be about the Linux. So we'll be talking about the Linux operating system, which is an open source and kernel initiated by developed by Linus Torvalds in 1991, I believe. That's when it's being developed. It is the foundation of numerous operating systems, commonly referred to as Linux distro or Linux distributions, which you can see from here. We have the Ubuntu, the CentOS, and the Debian, Fedora, and the rest. So Linux distributions comes with a variety of desktop environments and software packages tailored to different user needs. The distributions include Ubuntu, as I showed you guys here, and CentOS, which is and Debians, and other one called this Fedora. So the description will be left below for you guys to download. From here you can see other distros which is also Slackware, Mint, Xubuntu, Ubuntu, OpenSUSE, Red Hat, and the rest. So it has a wide variety of Linux distro, which you can go check it out yourself if you are interested in knowing more of it. So another is the Android operating system, which is well known for its operating system in mobile devices, and also it has this computer operating system, which I'll be showing you guys sooner or later. Android is just an operating system, but only for mobile. This operating system is only developed by Google, and it uses a base kernel Linux distro too, and primarily designed for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. It's an open source though, or allowing the manufacturers to develop or customize and modify to any suit of their needs. You get, in Android uses a wide range of features, including a user-friendly interface, customizable screens, and support multitasking, accessible to millions of apps via Google Play Store, and integration with the Google service such as the Gmail and Map, and also the Google Cloud. So the next we'll be talking about is the Chrome OS, and this is a lightweight or cloud-centric operating system based on Google, primarily designed for Chrome laptops or Chromebook laptops. It's based on Linux kernel and aimed to provide a fast and secure simple computing experience. Chrome OS revolves around Chrome web browser, with other applications and services accessed through web-based interface. It has nothing much to offer you but only for browsing and few other things, which is the Chrome security and features and sandboxing, and it automatically updates its operating system verified but making resistant to viruses and malwares. It doesn't offer that much or range of twisting and the rest. So here you can come check it out, and if you are interested in getting a Chrome operating system or installing a Chrome operating system, which I'll be showing you in my next video, so make sure you turn on that notification bell while you have already subscribed for the next video I'll be posting. So the next one I'll be talking about here is the OpenBCSD, which is a Linux distro too, or you can say it's a Unix distro. And this very operating system is focused on security, corrections, and code quality. Developed by global community of volunteers. So it's an open source through the Reddit. Is OpenBSD priority security features such as exploit mitigations, thorough code audits, and secure default settings. It provides a stable and a reliable platform for a variety of use cases, so including servers, desktop, and embedded systems. OpenBSD also includes a variety of networking features, so including advanced peaking filtering of PF firewalls, support for various network protocols. OpenBSD is refers to choice of security. So if you are looking for something more unique for security or that has a whole lot of security in it, then I'll advise you to go for this OpenBSD. And the next we'll be talking about here is what is called Manjari. Manjari is a friendly user distribution or Linux distro based on the Arch Linux operating system. It aims to provide accessibility and intuition experience for both beginners and experienced users. Manjaro offers a rolling released model, meaning users receive continuous updates and access to the latest software packaging without the need of periodically version upgrade. It comes pre-installed with a variety of desktop environments, including XFC, I believe, KDE, Plasma, something, and also the NOMI, which the Linux distro, all Linux distro also have these very softwares, allowing users to choose their preferred interface. Manjaro also features its own package manager called Pacman, and which simplifies the installation, removal, and management of software packages with focus of simplicity, stability, and performances. Manjaro is popularly measured for users looking for reliability and customizable Linux. It's just a simple operating system which you can, customize, go through, and make your own customization. And I'll be dropping the link at the description below if you want to check it out. Another we'll be talking about here, which is the elementary operating system. And this elementary operating system is a snake user friendly and is a Linux based distro. So I know I'll be talking about all this under the Linux based distro. Linux has a whole lot of variety. When it comes to the operating system, the distro is much, the distribution is much compared to any other OS you can think about. So Elementary is a sleek and friendly user, as I told you guys, designed to provide a simple and elegant computing experience. It features a visually appealing user interface called Python. Unlike you mentioning Python, it's called Python. So, which include a minimized design, consistent iconic graphics, which you can see from here. It has this iconic graphics equivalent to Mac operating system. It seems like it has these graphics of Mac, which is not actually a Mac operating system. And also, Elementary also emphasized on user productive by which built in application of everyday tasks such as web browsing, email, documents editing, and also multimedia playback, and also integrate seamlessly with online services, allowing the user to sync their files and settings across devices. Additionally, I would say that elementary OS or elementary operating system focuses on privacy and security with features such as sandbox applications and privacy. Overall, I would say that elementary OS or elementary operating system is an ideal choice for users which are seeking for a modern and polished Linux distro with a focused simplicity and usability. Then I would advise you to go for this elementary operating system. If you prefer this, if you are looking for something very simple and very reliable, then I will advise you go for this very operating system. So another operating system here we'll be talking about is called the Gentoo. So the Gentoo has been an operating system which is very light or versatile and highly customizable distribution, and is based on Linux. It's based on Linux. Unlike binary-based package managers, portable, compile, and software from source code, the user systems allowing the minimized optimization and customization, and also allows you to twist it each part you want or any way you wish to go with. Next we'll be talking about is called the RISC operating system, which is this OS, and is primarily based or developed primarily for ARM-based computers, known for the efficiency of lightweight design, originally created by Acorns Computer. So I believe when it's being created was during 1980s. RISC OS features distinctive graphics user interface, which is characterized by the Acorns driven desktop environment and unique Windows management system. It is designed to run hardwares and reduced memory processing power, making it ideal for embedded system, educational computer, and retro computing enthusiasts. RISC OS offers built-in application for based tasks such as word processing, drawing, and file management, while it's using the diminished over the years. RISC operating system continues to have dedicated user base and remain a niche operating system. These are few of the niche OS, which is the Raspberry Pi and the rest, which you can make up with niche. And all these operating systems, or these 10 operating systems that I mentioned. So I'll be coming to conclusion, as I said before. So the Windows operating system is a wide range of operating system that is been known everywhere, and is well known for its user interface, and it makes it more easier for users to access, and the reliability is very simple. It doesn't have this much complex features in it, and the friendly user interface makes it much easier for anyone to understand. And will I say that is the most ranged operating system, competing with the Mac operating system too? So now let's talk about the Mac operating system. This has its own graphics, far different from the Windows computer. And when it comes to the Linux operating system, it has different type of distro. I believe the distros are much more than what you can see here, and each of these distro has another distro inside them, which we are also looking into here. And we also have another one, which is the Android operating system, and I will be showing you guys, as I told you guys, that I'll be giving you guys a tutorial on how to install this operating system, which is this Android operating system in your computer, or to run an Android operating system in your computer, which we all know that this Android operating system is being used by smartphones, is being developed by Google. Another is the Chromebook. Chromebook is only meant for the browser aspect, and the security is a little bit, top notch. Although you can still install the Chrome operating system in a Windows computer along with a Windows distro. And we also have this OpenBSD, which is a Linux distro, or Unix. It should be a Unix distro. It has a whole lot of variety, and with its graphics, mostly hackers prefer using Linux for hacking, and it keeps them more secured and more anonymous. So next is the Manjaro. As you can see from here, we have this operating system with its own graphics, having a whole bunch of softwares which you can use to do a whole lot of things, which I know that this LibreOffice, which I'm seeing here, is used for document editing, unlike when you are talking about the Microsoft document editor. So you can use the Libra, and you can see from here the graphics user interface is quite different from any other graphical user interface, and it has the functionality of browsing and the rest. So we also have this very one called the elementary, which I have already explained about the elementary, and it's having its graphics unlike the Mac operating system, well designed and well organized. So it's basically based on the Linux distro also. And the next is the Gentoo Linux operating system, which also has its own graphics. I believe is being pulled out of the Linux, or the Linux OS. So next is the RISC operating system, which is also under the Linux distro. So I'll be putting these links below, and you can just go check it out. If you wish, you can just try them out and tell me what you think about any of these operating system that I mentioned. So thanks for watching, and if you actually find this video very useful, do not forget to click on the like button, while also turning on the notification bell if you haven't turned on the notification bell for more videos like this, and see you next time.